And basically what I found was like 5 basic ideas you should really study and understand. And they are basically finding out these 5 basic elements of improvisation. I came up with the first 2 letters of my method, the LE, which is less is more. When I studied with Charlie Barnakis, one of his gifts was to basically understand where the student are at this moment and give him the right exercises. All exercise I did with him was in all keys, which is the second part of leagues. Less is more, all keys. We are already by league, right? And there's only missing the S. Let's talk about this. And the S basically comes from singing or solfege. When I studied classical music in Berlin, we were supposed to play like a concert, 2 movements of a double bass concert each month. This was happening in a recital hall at college, and all the students were there, and you had to play by heart and stuff, and you know, everybody would fail, you know, would play a lot of mistakes, or would, you know, have a blackout where you don't know what to play, right? So one day my teacher actually asked me, you know, how do you learn the music? You know, I said, oh, I take it and would play it, you know, until my finger know where to go. And he gave me the idea, man, learn the solfege before, sing the music before, really name them notes.